All right, everyone, back on this valve body for the 722.6 transmission that's in this 2004 SLK 320. And this is the crud I was talking about. You can see that. I mean, it's not much, but it's a little bit. And that's probably what got into the filter and clogged it up. And I was talking with, I did a lot of research and talked to somebody else. It could be the converter clutch debris got into this, and this is what it is. And it's not the best sign, but it's worth trying the filter change. I think that's the smart thing to do. At least try to see if we could save this transmission. And we're gonna just do the filter, the transmission oil replacement, and go from there. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. Throw some gloves on. I'm just doing it by hand. I don't want to strip any of these bolts out. I already did the drain plug once. I'm just an old school guy. See everybody using all this electric stuff, which I'll use to take it all out, but this thing's torqued pretty good in there. I'm trying to clean this thing out. Yeah, because this thing was running good, man. I took it for a spin, and I probably threw the torque converter clutch up pretty good. Because, I had this thing, and it was gone, man. I was having a lot of fun with it. I was probably up to like 60 miles per hour in no time, dude. Cause shoot, what's the use of not having a car that's no fun, So, this engine will get up and go. That's for sure. It's got some, it could rev up pretty quick. That's for sure. It's running good. I need to do an oil change on it too. It's hard to. I may have to do it with a drill. I don't know. I'm gonna flip it like this. Do the rest of it like this. There we go. That's loose. There we go. I might get the sockets in my truck. gonna give me an issue. Shoot. Why is this give me an issue? Are you kidding me? You're kidding me, right? Makes me wonder this thing's been taken apart before, because probably should have looked at it, but this one looks like it's stripped, man. I mean, I couldn't have stripped it that quick, dude, not by hand. Oh, man. That's unfortunate. All of them besides this one. Really? Oh, man. Yeah, somebody was in this thing before. Had to be. That's just unfortunate. I mean, this thing's been worked on or rebuilt before. Oh, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get all these out and then let me think about it. I got all of them but one. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to drill that joker out. Alright, let me go ahead. Are you kidding me? How much? Right now, valve body. I mean, Jesus. I mean, really? All of them but one? Might be able to catch that. God, Lord, this thing's a pain butt. Alright, well, I'm gonna get all these bolts out and kind of fast forward this. I mean, they're just, I'm gonna figure out how to work on that. That one. Yeah, I'm thinking this has been apart before for some reason. For sure. That seems loose. Alright, I'm gonna grab a Huh. Got it with the big one. It is coming out. Look at that. Beautiful. So patience. I'm gonna definitely need to clean this thing really good. Get a new boat. There it is. Alright. It's on my way. That's weird. I mean, these bits are not messed up at all. You can see that. Doesn't look messed up. I was even using this one. It's a brand new one. Huh. Go figure. Okay, this should lift up. Here it is. It's like the opposite of Christmas almost. Oh man, look at this. And it says a dowel underneath here. Oh. Come on, get out of there. Transmission on my hands. I should got regular gloves. There it is. Look at there. So it's a screen. You can see it. I'll let that drip a little bit, but there's a screen right there. That screen looks good. Just all this crud in here. Guess I need to take these plates off, make sure that these valves are good. And that valve is loose. Feels fine to me. Wow, look at that. So let me get this other screen here. This is crazy. So it looks like they just pop in place. Doesn't look like it's one way or another. So that one just goes up in there. Right here. It's crazy. I think it looks so clean. It's one little gunky area right there, but that don't look like it's a channel or nothing. Everything else looks really good. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna pop these little screens out and clean this up.